Hey, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SLP video update. What's up? What's going on? Are you feeling okay? Are you feeling nervous? Are you feeling like we're about to go to the bear market or we're about to lose every money? I mean, come on, guys. If you feel that way, let me tell you one thing. You are investing way more than you are able to chew. Okay, you are investing way more money than you're able to afford to lose. So don't even do that. Okay, but here I am, and I'm here to actually give you the analysis to give you that confidence that maybe from my side there's like no issues with SLP at this point of time. So yesterday we saw on the 4 hour time frame that there's this dragonfly doji almost right there. And before I talk about the details, guys, do you want to actually learn how to trade, the technical analysis, and step up your game? I do have the course for you right now. Go check it out if you want to give it a try, or just join me into the Discord. I do have SLP here, and this is where many people talk about Jasmine, SLP, Web3, dot, Matic, Dodge, whatnot. Okay, everything is out there on the Discord. It's absolutely free. The link is in the description of the video, so do check the course and the Discord. Here we are. Right, so what's going on with SLP? What's happening now? Previously, let's go back and do a refresher. That SLP we saw was stuck in some sort of a falling wedge, and this is where you broke out, and ever since you're moving sideways to actually go to the 21. Okay, that's the technical target, 217. Because when you break out of the falling wedge, you go back to where you formed that wedge. Simple. This is where you're moving. Falling wedge, boom, breakout. This is where you want to go at the start of the wedge. But in my opinion, you're actually looking to even go back here and take that high right there and even shoot to the upside to the like 0.06. I do think SLP is gonna do 0.06 if it starts to get bullish, of course. Okay, because it's looking really good right now on the chart. So it doesn't have any thread, it doesn't have like bearish patterns at all. Now on the short term frame, I just want to tell you that we are adhering and respecting to a particular trend line here. There's a trend line forming up, support trend line for SLP, and I'm going to show you this one in a second just there. So if I take this line and I pull it up like this, do you see that? Yesterday I talked about the weekly. Let's actually, before this one, let's do the weekly time frame, because that's kind of important. I said I want to see SLP closing at the 177, which it didn't do, but still the closing that it did isn't like that much bad, but it's not bullish either. It's not like something very bullish about it. There's nothing bullish about it, but it's just a normal positive candlestick. Okay, but it just doesn't give me any candlestick reading. I cannot even say it's a bullish engulfing anymore. It's not bullish engulfing. It's not even tweezer bottoms. It's just a, let's say, a closing where the buyers won this one candlestick. Yeah, the buyers just won here a little bit because the sellers were winning back to back for 1 month. Okay, and this is where the buyer stepped in, and potentially you might start to reverse from here. Okay, because when you start to make green candles after a long ass boring period of red candles, then from there you might start to look to pick to the upside. But of course, nothing is guaranteed in the space. And remember, these videos are just educational. You can see I'm just doing educational video and reading the charts. I'm not telling you to put any money into anything. Okay, if you do want to do that, I do have the technical analysis course. Learn this one and actually be smart, because there is a place of money management as well, where I'm going to talk about the plateau management system, risk reward, and what 50/50 rule, something that I invented that works for me and for the most people that I teach to. Anyway, go back into the 4 hour time frame and let's talk about that trend line here. And this, guys, to me, I think SLP, all it's doing is it went up and came back to the support level. You see, went up here, came to the support, hold the support, boom, came back again, fall to support, hold support, up, came back, hold the support here, and then you move. What you don't want to see is the loss of this support. Okay, now is that bad? Potentially it might not be bad, but in the short term it's going to be a little bit like disturbing, because if you start to lose this trend line, sorry, the support here, yeah, then you actually you could come down again to the 155, make a nice good double bottom right there, and then you actually pick to the upside. So it will be a very big, like, good nice W if you do that. It wouldn't be bad, it wouldn't be bad at all, but it will be a little bit disturbing on the short term frame. So that's it for this SLP update. I'm still looking for that 21 target, blue line right here. It is there until it's not, because that's the technical target out of a falling wedge. So it's not invalidated, it's still on the play, but it's like a slow journey. But I think somewhere down the road, SLP is gonna pick up like crazy and start to print huge, gigantic green candles like we printed right here. Who knows? It's all about game of patience. And that's it for the update. Do check the course out, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.